Hi, I'm Jim. Welcome to training. In areas like Chicago or Boston, or anywhere there are a lot of brick buildings, you might be tempted to ignore the mounting priority chart because the direct-to-brick mount seems like your only option. However, using the priority chart won't hinder your efficiency, and it ensures that we're not missing another reliable mounting option higher up. If you come across a brick building with a flat roof, you can automatically rule out the overhang, fascia, angled fascia, and under-eave mounts. Other issues, such as line of sight, may not permit the use of other mounts in the chart as well. In these cases, the direct-to-brick mount can provide a solid dish installation when done properly. In this video, we'll show you how to install this mount and emphasize the key steps.
First, locate a level surface on the brick, cinder block, or concrete wall. You may need to tighten the pivot bolts to keep the mast upright so that you can use both hands for the next steps. Attach the level to the mast. Use a zip tie to keep the level attached. Align the foot plate to the proposed mounting location. When you drill, ensure that the lag screws are not going to be drilled into the mortar. Do not use more than 2 lag screws per brick, and do not drill near the edge of a brick. Adjust the foot plate until the mast is level. Then you will mark the 4 corner holes of the foot plate with a marker. Verify that the mast is still level and aligned correctly over the markings. Put the marker down and use both hands to ensure the mast is level. This is the last chance you will get to ensure the mast is level before drilling holes into the brick. Using the 1/4 inch masonry drill bit, pre-drill 4 pilot holes 1/8 of an inch deep. The drill should be in hammer mode on low speed. Pilot holes are important for 2 reasons. First, they provide a visual reference that shows you exactly where the foot plate will end up. Second, they will help keep your drill penetration level so the 1/2 inch drill bit doesn't slip. It will follow the pilot hole right into the brick. Verify again that the mast is still level and correctly aligned over the pilot holes. Again, use both hands to ensure the mast is level. At this point, if you find the mast isn't level, you've only drilled a small, less noticeable pilot hole, instead of a large 1/2 inch hole. Adjust the mast as needed and re-drill the pilot holes if necessary. Once the mast is level and properly aligned with the pilot holes, put down the foot plate and mast. Pre-drill the 4 holes 2 inches deep using the 1/2 inch masonry drill bit. Be sure that you're holding the drill level and perpendicular to the wall. Remove the drill bit and attach the 1/2 inch nut setter to the drill. Insert a lag shield into each pre-drilled hole. Make sure that each lag shield is flush with the surface. Fill each of the pre-drilled holes with silicone sealant. Then align the foot plate over the pre-drilled holes. Once the foot plate is aligned, drive a 2-inch lag screw into each of the 4 corner foot plate holes. Only drive the screw in 99% of the way. Then tighten down all of the lag screws by hand using the 1/2 inch socket wrench. Remember to tighten them all snug plus 1/4 turn. Once again, verify the mast is level and tighten the hardware on the mast. Be sure not to over-tighten. Once the mast is tight and level, place the assembled dish on the mast.
You only get one chance to drill into brick, concrete, and cinder blocks properly. That's why it's so important to ensure the mast is plumb and level and pre-drill the pilot holes correctly. It's all part of providing a professional, trouble-free installation and one of the best ways to strive to provide best-in-class service. Thanks for being a part of the DNS team, and thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.